Need to start a business soon. Can you just give me one maybe advice on like what should I already prepare myself for in starting this startup company? It's not going to be something huge. It's just a cleaning business, but I'm thinking that because it's a business, all the business they always start somewhere. So what would you give me an advice? Like what would your advice be for someone who's never had a business before, ran business before? So what would be your advice?
Yeah, so here in Dubai, you can definitely do your like cleaning business. So yeah, just make there is a lot of people that are looking for a job, things like that. So it's not yeah because I did find a lot of people that they never done something before, and then because of they wanted to do something to add to the society. So you can do that definitely here in Dubai. So the cost, for instance, like for opening your that business can be between 10 to 15,000. You see, in the mainland, and then just a matter right now of like hiring cleaners and stuff like that. So, and here you're gonna start to send later process cleaner different places. You see, you can have later process 5 to 10 cleaners and send them different location. You see, so now if you're doing in Dubai, you open the company in Dubai, so all of them they're gonna be just here in the UAE. You see, in the mainland, and yeah, so there is possibility for that.
Okay, so what will be the challenge that I wouldn't know this is a challenge, but there is a way to overcome it. But because this is my first experience, and then I will be like, okay, no, this is not for me. So what will be that first big challenge that I will face?
Yeah, the big challenge is just opening the company, looking for the clients. You see, so the most important part, looking for the clients, having a nice visibility. You see online, so you register a company in your business in Google Business. You see, and then after that, like you open your business account, your Facebook business page. You see, so you open your LinkedIn company profile, and then after that, just have to do the advertisement and flyers. You see, so having your physical flyers distributed to different people in different locations. This is just the hard like advertisement, and to get clients. You see, so now we have to go search for different kind of companies. Those one that they have later, for instance, like hotels or residential area, if they're looking for like cleaners or something like that. You see, because of certain people, they're gonna have some pamphlet that they can go give to those like each rooms or each apartment. You see, so you have to set up all those the system. Yeah, it's kind of like that. But the nice thing is you have to go get some people that they've been doing that for like 5 years or something like that. You see, to become like part of your shareholder thing.
So
You see, yeah,
mentoring is
yeah,
okay,
yeah, yeah.
okay.
And that's
So the first challenge will be sometimes you don't get clients and then you think maybe this business is not gonna work.
yeah.
So just to have patience and faith, I guess.
Yes, that's